So wake me up, feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I don't know where my journey will end, but I know where it starts. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream, and life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. Well, that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I've been finding myself, and
So I've been hiking through YPO Valley for the entire day now. I think we got here at around 10:30 and it's around 2:30 now. And Monica and I have just been exploring and trespassing, and we made it, almost made it. Still have a while to go, but check this out.
I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. Hope I get a chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans.
Wow.
Wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes, 'cause life's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I've been finding myself, and I never know I was lost. So wake me up, no, no, no. So wake me up, so wake me up, whoa, whoa, whoa. So wake me up, so wake me up, so wake me up, so wake me up, so wake me up.
I'll meet you at the hideout, where we can dream again. I'll tell you all my secrets, wearing courage like a second skin. The kids are all dying, we're dying to believe again. Run through the open streets, we take what is needed.